Hello and welcome to Indus News live from Islamabad. I'm Jawad Tehami and these are the headlines. The Afghan government says the Taliban have killed 3 of security personnel in an attack on a public protection force base in Paktia province. A spokesman for the provincial governor said 5 others have been wounded in the attack in Gardez city. Claiming the responsibility, the Taliban say they have killed 74 Afghan soldiers and wounded dozens. France's President Emmanuel Macron says he is ready to host an international aid conference in October to rescue crisis-hit Lebanon. Visiting Lebanon for the second time after the Beirut explosion that killed 200 people last month, Macron warned Lebanese politicians of sanctions if they fail to make reforms within 3 months. Lebanon's political parties have already named a new prime minister following a consensus forged under pressure from Macron. The remaining signatories to the Iran nuclear deal are meeting in Vienna in a bid to save the pact. This comes as the US ratchets up pressure for a return of international sanctions on Iran and an extension of the arms embargo. The United States withdrew from the deal in 2018 and imposed curbs on Iran. Saudi Arabia's King Salman bin Abdulaziz has sacked 2 royals over corruption allegations. Prince Fahd bin Turki bin Abdulaziz Al Saud was removed as commander of the Saudi-led coalition forces, while his son, Prince Abdulaziz bin Fahd, was relieved of his post as deputy governor of Al Jouf region. The 2 royals, along with 4 other military officials, have been placed under investigation. The World Health Organization says India has reported nearly 500,000 new COVID-19 cases in the past 7 days, the highest numbers globally. This comes as the country records over 800 deaths and almost 70,000 cases overnight, taking the caseload to nearly 3.7 million. Meanwhile, in Pakistan, 4 people have lost their lives to the virus overnight, taking the toll to 6,298 with over 296,000 cases. Globally, the virus has claimed over 851,000 lives while infecting over 25.4 million. That's all for now. With the latest updates, you can follow us on social media at Indus.News. Coming up next is In Focus South Asia.